Hello, everyone. As everybody knows, and for those who don't know me, my name is Jovan Pasagi. They call me Badi sa ako nga mga barkada. In 1978, we form a group and we call it Joe Arvans. Joe stands for Josephine and Joy. And then AR stands for the two Arlenes. And then Van, that's me, VAN, and S stands for Sol and Susan. The group is really very devastated and shocked for what had happened to Bungkay. Kadali ra ba in taon kayo? And no one is ready for this. To the family sa iyang mga anak, igsoon ug apo, our sincere and heartfelt condolences. We are very sorry of your loss and our loss. I have lots of memories with Bungkay when we were in high school. Pero may tanaw sini, uban ni Badang, ligo dagat, in short, lakwatsa. I find her very buutan, very quiet person, and she do not even argue with anything. In short, hilumon ra kaayo siya. Magtando-tando ragod tao na siya. Walay libog, walay reklamo. Pag makauli ko, sometimes I visit her sa iyang office diya sa Palao sa Girl Scout office, and we will have a little chat. Nagkita mi one time pag uli na ko diya last year 2024 sa April dito sa SSS. I didn't know that. That's my last acquaintance with her. Well, the Bible said there is hope beyond the grave. God said in John 14:1-3, let not your heart be troubled. You believe in God, believe also in me. In my Father's house are many mansions. If it were not so, I would have told you. I go to prepare a place for you. And if I go to prepare a place for you, I will come again and receive you to myself, that where I am, there you may be also. All of us know that we are just passing through in this chaotic world. Jesus is preparing a place for us. To those who accept Jesus and follow his footsteps. One day, and very soon, and God will wipe away every tear from their eyes. There shall be no more death, nor sorrow, nor crying. There will be no more pain, for the former things have passed away. And that's Revelation 21:4. Bungkay, you're gone from our sight, but never from our hearts. Good night, Bungkay. We may not say this all the time, but we always love you so dearly.